have been told that success is a math equation of talent, luck and hard work is equal to success. But actually, sorry, but it's a biggest lie. Hello and welcome to the show which says What's Your Plot by Mansi Malhotra, and today we'll be talking about success is not hard work. It is actually the mindset. How you think, how you relate to that opportunity, and how you grab that opportunity with your creative mindset. To be successful, it is your mindset. It is nothing related to your luck, but definitely your talent and hard work goes hand in hand. I'll give you an example today. We are talking about 1880s. Wearing footwear was not being so common. There were two salesmen who were being sent to a village. One salesman explored the village and understood कि यहाँ पे तो कोई पहनता ही नहीं जूते चप्पल, तो मेरी फैक्ट्री का जूते चप्पल यहाँ पे नहीं चलेंगे. He came back to the factory and said कि ये वाले गांव में हम नहीं बेच सकते because यहाँ पे 99% of the people doesn't wear footwear. The second salesman was being sent to the same village and उसने एक्सप्लोर किया विलेज. उसने फटाफट से कॉल कर दिया फैक्ट्री में, पूरा का पूरा कंटेनर आप गांव में भिजवा दो, यहाँ पे एक भी बंदा नहीं है जो जूते पहनता है, तो मेरे पास तो बिगेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी है, सारा का सारा गांव मेरा क्लाइंट बनेगा और मेरे को बहुत प्रॉफिट होने वाला है. एंड द मैनेजर ऑफ दैट factory had sent the container and eventually the second salesman became the best salesman of the month and was being hired. Why? Because उसके mindset डिफरेंट था. उसके माइंडसेट में था कि नहीं, मैं कैसे अपॉर्चुनिटी क्रिएट कर सकता हूं, मेरे माइंडसेट में पॉजिटिव क्या है, मैं उस अपॉर्चुनिटी को कैसे ग्रैब कर सकता हूं. That is the only thing which will turn your biggest goal into the reality. I'll give you another example. ये अभी आजकल की लाइफ का एग्जाम्पल है हमारा. हम लोग कई बार बचाते हैं पैसे कि नहीं वो वाले रेस्टोरेंट में नहीं जाना, वी विल गो ऑन अ मीडियोकर काइंड ऑफ रेस्टोरेंट. बट वंस वी गो टू अ बेटर रेस्टोरेंट, मे बी अ 7-star रेस्टोरेंट, वी सी and we meet those higher mindset people around us. From there, we create a higher opportunity rather than going to a basic mediocre restaurant where you are just going to eat and eventually you will not be even treated well. But if you go in the same 7-star restaurant, you will see the mindset of the people. You will see what kind of clothes they are wearing. You will see what kind of people they are meeting with. You will see what they are ordering. Eventually, once you put your forward, you will grab the opportunity because your mindset was just to grab the opportunity and to get into a bigger lifestyle aura, because वो आपका thinking था, वो आपका goal था, and you did not chose just to eat but to get a better experience. So I would really suggest, rather than thinking small or thinking that only hard work can lead you or you can become successful via just hard work. No, your talent really matters, but your presence of mind and your mindset, the growth mindset really matters. अपने mindset को expand करो, अपनी थिंकिंग को एक्सपैंड करो. जैसे ही आपकी थिंकिंग एक्सपैंड होगी, सिमिलर वे में आपकी अपॉर्चुनिटीज ज्यादा अच्छे से आप ग्रैब कर पाओगे. प्लस यू विल बिकम द बेटर वर्जन ऑफ योरसेल्फ एंड विद इन अ व्हाइल मे बी द बेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ योरसेल्फ. सो रादर देन पुटिंग द हार्ड वर्क ऑन योर स्लीव्स, पुट द कॉन्फिडेंस एंड माइंडसेट. इट विल चेंज योर लाइफ. थैंक यू सो मच. आई विल सी यू इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो.